Welcome to the Irving Condominium, condominium home number 303 walkthrough video tour. Upon entering the home, you walk right into an open living room, kitchen, and dining area. An abundance of natural light through south-facing windows. This condo home is 500 square feet, but don't let the square footage fool you. This home is all about layout. Smart and thoughtful open living space so you can customize the layout of your home to suit your needs. Modern white cabinetry, gray quartz countertops, white subway tile backsplash, under cabinet LED lighting, Frigidaire Gallery Series stainless steel appliances with gas cooking, overhead recessed lighting throughout, gorgeous wide plank hardwood floors throughout, individual room controlled and programmable heating and cooling, coat closet or storage closet, whatever suits your living needs, an updated bath with a window for natural light, white subway tile shower tub combination, mirrored medicine cabinet for additional storage, over top a floating vanity with 2 additional drawers for storage. Great corner bedroom, could hold a king size bed and 2 nightstands. Also room for a desk. Lots of natural light again. Room for an additional dresser or an armoire. Double racked bedroom closet to maximize storage capacity for your clothes. Convenient in-home washer and dryer combination. Gets your laundry done all in one cycle. Additional closet. It's currently used as a broom closet. Could be customized with organization for a pantry or additional storage. The Irving Condominium was redeveloped in 2017. All new finishes. The building is pet friendly. The low monthly condo fee of $262.39. You only pay your own electric bill. This home is within 3 blocks of the Columbia Heights Metro station. Just 1 block to restaurants, bars, and day-to-day conveniences on Georgia Avenue. A couple of blocks to 11th Street Restaurant Row in Columbia Heights. And only about 3 blocks to other day-to-day conveniences and entertainment in Columbia Heights. The building has secure bike storage in the basement, and it's pet friendly. Contact an agent for more information. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough tour.